This short guide explains how to buy shares of Parker-Hannifin Corp, a global industrial company that makes motion and control systems for aerospace and industrial applications. Parker-Hannifin trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PH, and this video is educational only and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, so we use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before making a purchase. On the platform, use the search box and enter the ticker PH to find Parker-Hannifin Corp. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Confirm the company name, ticker PH, and the NASDAQ listing so you are on the correct asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose Order Type, then review all details before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order will typically execute when the market reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add cash before confirming. After the trade is confirmed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and remember the link to the example broker is in the description below.